Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you how I made this amazing, this delicious, this yummicious jollof rice, which I use gizzard. I hope you give this a try. It's very easy making this, and it's also healthy, guys. Let's jump into the video. So this is the gizzard that I'm going to use, and it's around 400 grams of gizzard. So that's I'll blend ginger, garlic, onion, habanero pepper and rosemary. I'll add half of the blended onion mixed to the saucepan with the gizzard, adding a little bit of salt and then vegetable seasoning. So guys, I'm going to give this a quick stir and let it steam for about 5 minutes, adding a little bit of water. Close it and let it cook for more or less 25 minutes or until the gizzard is almost tender. Depending on the quantity of your gizzard, if it's more than mine is around 400 grams of gizzard. If yours is more than that, you can let it cook a little bit more longer. So when it's ready, remove it from the pan, add in a little bit of oil and then deep fry these bad boys. So guys, you do not want to over fry it. As soon as you get to this point, that means your gizzard is ready. Don't over fry it, if not it will become too hard to chew. And remember, we are making it we are making fried rice, we are making jollof rice, so you do not want any hard things on your jollof. Remove it and let's move to the next point, which is a stew. Adding a little bit of oil to your saucepan and the rest of the onion mix that we blended earlier on. Add in tomato paste. Stir it and let it steam for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and add in your tomato puree and the stock from the gizzard. So guys, go ahead and stir it, cover it and let it cook for another 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes you do not want it to get burnt at the bottom of the pot, check from time to time, give it a quick stir, close it and then let it cook for about some minutes and then open it and add in your gizzard. Like when it's halfway cooked, add in your gizzard and give it a quick stir. Then add in your spices. I use sankofa spices, curry, and 1 shrimp cube. So guys, stir it and let it cook for 5 minutes more. Then it's ready to add in your rice. As you can see, the stew is cooked here. You can even eat this with your cooked yam, rice, cooked plantain, potatoes, name it. At this point, your stew is ready. Stir it a little bit and add in your rice. After, stir it and add in a splash of water. You do not want to add in much water, if not your rice, or depending on how you like your rice. For me, I want it like 1-1, you know. So I don't add in much water, just a splash of water, to help cook the rice. So you want to go ahead and stir it, cover it and let it cook for about 7 minutes. After, open it, stir it again, and at this point you want to go ahead and lower your gas because you do not want to burn the rice at the bottom of the pot. So you want to go ahead and lower the gas or your fire and let it cook slowly. So at this point I'm just stirring it, and then I'll cover it again and let it cook for some minutes. So guys, at this point we are almost there. The jollof rice is almost ready because it's halfway cooked. So I'm gonna stir it and then cover it with parchment paper. After some minutes, open it and stir it again. So at this point you want to go ahead and add in your veggies. Whilst the rice is almost ready, go ahead and add in your veggies, and guys, that's it. When you get to this point, you've reached your destination. Congratulations, you've done yourself jollof rice with fried or gizzard jollof rice, guys. Just look at this, just look at it. It's simple, it's easy making this. Just follow the steps, and guys, you would enjoy it, you would love it. So at this point you wanna cover it and let the veggies at least cook a bit, and guys, you are good to go. Your rice is ready to serve, guys. Just look at it. This rice is so delicious and yummy. Thanks for watching. I hope you give this a try. Don't forget to like, comment, share, follow my page if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all, guys. Stay blessed.